Scatter diagram. Scatter diagram is a statistical tool for determining the potentiality of correlation between dependent variable and independent variable. Scatter diagram does not tell about exact relationship between two variables, but it indicates whether they are correlated or not. Let x, y, I1, 2, n, I be the bivariate distribution. If the values of the dependent variable y are plotted against corresponding values of the independent variable x in the xy plane, such diagram of dots is called scatter diagram or dot diagram. It is to be noted that scatter diagram is not suitable for large number of observations. Interpretation from scatter diagram. In the scatter diagram, 1. If dots are in the shape of a line and line rises from left bottom to the right top, figure 1, then correlation is said to be perfect positive. 2. If dots in the scatter diagram are in the shape of a line and line moves from left top to right bottom, figure 2, then correlation is perfect negative. 3. If dots show some trend and trend is upward rising from left bottom to right top, figure 3, correlation is positive. 4. If dots show some trend and trend is downward from left top to the right bottom, figure 4, correlation is said to be negative. 5. If dots of scatter diagram do not show any trend, figure 5, there is no correlation between the variables.